All right, well, you've heard the headlines. We're talking about the war in Iran, what that means, the Strait of Hormuz, and it all trickles down to an oil shortage. Frank of Desert Car Care Center of Cave Creek joining me out in the back lot this morning. I think people hear that and they're like, oh, great. Something else is going to cost more money.
It's like everything else. You get on social media that starts spinning and spinning.
Yeah.
However, there is some truth. Qatar refinery was knocked offline. So when in fact there was a leaked internal memo that Toyota said, hey, we may have shortages on some of the real thin oils. And want folks to understand, currently you can buy this oil. Let's not hoard oil. In fact, my supplier emailed me, we can't, because as shop owners, we're like, hey, is this going to happen?
Right.
Do we just go out and buy thousands of gallons? So I want to really inform folks on the kaleidoscope of oil thickness. And I just want to say it's commonly misknown as 0-weight 8. It isn't. It's really 0-winter 8.
Oh,
that first number is the cold flow when starting up. Obviously, if you're North Dakota in the winter, that makes a big difference.
Very important number.
And that second number is viscosity. Now, 0-weight 8, this is specific oil that they're talking about possibly could be a shortage. I'm not seeing it. My industry peers aren't seeing it either, but we got to prepare. What's Toyota's statement? That would be a good question. If I've got a warranty on a Toyota and I have to stick to that exact weight, well, Toyota said, well, you can step it up. If we do have an issue, you can step up to the 0-weight 20.
And what do most cars use? Or
well,
is it...
yeah, so these are going to be mostly the 0-weight 8, the 0-weight 16, 0-weight 20, the hybrids. Now, why is this? These tolerances, in other words, those moving metal parts, really, really thin clearance, as well as managed variable valve timing, as well as emissions. Emissions added a lot of that stress. So let's do a pour. This is about the thinnest.
It's like a wine tasting.
Yeah, see, a little delicious wine tasting, Ian.
There you go.
You can see, look at that.
Oh, it's very thin.
It's very thin.
And that's what the viscosity means.
That's right. It is thin because it's got to get to where it's got to go with thin clearances. Now, you asked what do most cars take.
That'd be a 40, right?
0-weight 40 is a lot of your performance applications. Mercedes, some of the GT, the double-digit Mercedes, Corvette, and so on. Again, the fact is this. Don't take it from a lowly mechanic. Read your owner's manual, although I'll guarantee you in the garage, we are double and triple checking everything to make sure we get it right. This is about average right in here, 5-weight 20.
We got about 30 or so left.
We use a lot of that in the shop.
Oh, that's a lot thicker. Wow.
And I want to just add something. Two things. Number one, filter. It doesn't matter how often you change your oil if you're buying a cheap filter. The cheaper filters will have these internal components here, very thin. They won't filtration right.
So spend the money on a good filter.
That's right. And BGMOA, we are big fans of BGMOA. It helps with the extended pours if you're running late on your oil change.
Oh, fantastic. Can we just show this beautiful car?
Yeah. M5. My good friends at Mika Auctions, they said, Frank, you need it, and it's one of 1,200. Very special car.
Gosh, awesome. Frank, be sure to check him out. Desert Car Care Center of Cave Creek is going to help you save money and make sure that car is running just great. Thanks for coming in, Frank.
Thank you.
Always appreciate it.